All right, we've been talking about it for a few days now, what people need to know in terms of the red flag warnings and also the air quality. Just a mess today.
Which kind of tanked yesterday, as a matter of fact. I mean, it was just that smoke came across the Cascades really quickly yesterday morning, and you could just see, especially yesterday around sunset, just looking around. It was a beautiful sunset as a result.
Right, but not for the best reasons.
It made you a little uncomfortable breathing out there. But right now, most places, I'll show you in just a moment, most places up and down the Sound are in the moderate range in terms of air quality, so not all that bad for you, though it will be getting worse as we head towards this afternoon. You can just, I mean, it says something. When you look at the shot from Granite Falls High School, it is very, very red out there looking out towards the east as that smoke continues to come over the Cascades. In fact, the downslope winds out of eastern Washington are going to be increasing during the morning, probably peaking out around midday to early afternoon, and then gradually diminishing later on today, which is the trend we're really looking for. We have primarily starting off with a red flag warning, which we've had out for a couple of days now. The red flag warning for critical fire danger, very easy for fires to start, very easy for them to spread. So again, great care in anything that has potential to start a fire here in the next probably 48 to, well, actually really till we get some decent rains, because things are really dry out there. But until midnight tonight, the red flag warning's in place basically from about Puget Sound lowlands westward, and then the west slopes of the Cascades until 7 p.m. tomorrow night. They'll continue to have risk of very critical fire conditions and various expiration times along the east slopes of the Cascades, but those mostly late tonight or early tomorrow. So it's going to be pretty much with us through the weekend, this high fire risk. And then in terms of air quality, we do have an air quality alert out basically for the lowlands of Puget Sound itself and then up into the Cascades themselves because of this wildfire smoke coming down. It does get a chance to disperse and spread out, so it's not as bad along the coast. But overall, looking pretty nasty as we head into the afternoon hours. It's interesting. We're 12 days until fall arrives. We almost got through the summer without having a smoke event, but not quite. Got close, though. Up in the Bellingham area, it doesn't look too bad this morning. They saw a little bit less smoke yesterday. They got warmer as a result. That smoke today will be decreasing the high temperatures by anywhere from 5 to 10 degrees of what we would get if we didn't have the smoke. It just reflects back a lot of that sunshine that tries to make its way down to the ground. There's the shot from Tacoma. You can just barely make out Mount Rainier out there in the distance. These gusty winds just picking up in the Cascade foothills, mostly in the mid-20s right now. This afternoon, those wind gusts will probably get into the low to mid-30s, so that'll continue to give you the potential for fire spread if any start, and also it will continue to bring that smoke over from eastern Washington. Checking temperatures this morning, wide range of temperatures depending on whether they're being affected by the downslope winds, how much smoke is over. You can see that range right now from 46 degrees in the city of Snoqualmie to 73 degrees in Owaco this morning. Overall, our forecast for today, look for hazy sunshine, breezy near the foothills, temperatures anywhere from the upper 70s to the mid to upper 80s. Decreasing smoke, a little bit cooler tomorrow. Morning clouds, afternoon sun. Air quality should get back to good during the day on Monday as that ocean air comes in and we settle into a pattern of morning clouds and afternoon sun and highs in the low to mid 70s all the way into next weekend.